Hello, welcome to Explora. Today we're going to be experimenting with floating and sinking different fruits and vegetables, which you can do at home. So first, just get a tub or bowl of water and fill it up to cover your biggest fruit or vegetable. And then pick up your different fruits and vegetables and feel their different weights, feel their different textures, and ask yourself if you think they're gonna sink or float or how they're going to do in the water. And it looks like all of these are floating around. So another thing that you can do is test the effect of salt on whether or not your fruits and vegetables are going to float differently. So you can add 4 to 5 tablespoons of salt in the water, just however much you want. Let it dissolve a bit. And you're going to cut some pieces off of your fruits and vegetables. Make sure you're being safe with any sharp tools and see if that makes them float any differently, any faster. And yeah, you can go ahead and try different variations at home with different fruits and vegetables.
After we let the salt dissolve some more, I tried it with a blueberry, and as you can see, in the salted water, a blueberry floats, and in the not salted water, a blueberry sinks.